Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can set up cart page, shop page, dashboard page. So to do that, come and click on WooCommerce settings. Under settings, click advanced. Under advanced, you can see cart page is here. Check there and type cart. Here is your cart page. Checkout page. Checkout. My account. It's not created. So what if it's not created? What you do, go to the dashboard, under pages, create a new page, type my account, publish, edit with Elementor. So here, come and type my account. Here it is. After that, if you have any terms and conditions page, you can type it here. So after that, hit save. You are done. Thank you for watching.